guys, welcome to this video tutorial about how you can automate your WhatsApp for sale, how to monetize your WhatsApp. Now this is it. So I said I'm going to be dropping this in few minutes time, WhatsApp automation and monetization. Now what are we to learn in this video? We are going to learn how to automate our WhatsApp even though you are not there, how you can make your WhatsApp replies to customer instantly. That's what we call WhatsApp automation. Then how to gain massive contacts. How do you make people contact you? How do you become an influencer? How do you add value to people's life? Then how to grow status view. You all know that gaining massive contacts and also growing of status view depends on each other. If you do not have a massive contact list, there's no how your status view is going to increase. Then once your contact list and your status views have increased, then you are going to make more sales from time to time, no matter what you are selling, no matter anything you are doing, no matter which business you are into. You are going to make sales time to time. Now let me quickly swipe into action. Now first thing we are going to be talking about is the WhatsApp automation. How do you automate your WhatsApp if you are doing anything on WhatsApp? Now one thing I would like to touch is that no matter anything you are doing, any business you are running, anything you are doing, you need to learn how to add values to people's life. People always like someone who they can gain something from. People like someone who they can go to and is going to give them things they need. So you should be someone that will be able to add values to people's life. Okay, you understand? So what are the value do you want to add to people's life? Now, first thing we are going to be talking about now is the WhatsApp automation. First thing you are going to do to automate your WhatsApp is to create a custom link that you are going to send to people, and the custom link is going to carry a custom message. I believe everyone knows how to do that, and if you don't know how to do it, just follow my simple step on how to do it. First thing is we want to generate a WhatsApp link. Now I'm going to use this WA link to generate my WhatsApp link. Now I'll click on this second one. Just follow what I'm doing and you are going to get what I'm saying. Can you see? So what you just need to do is create a free link. Then this is it. You are going to enter your WhatsApp number. Let me do that. Now we need a custom message. Now what do you want to send to your customers? What do you want to send to your client? What do you want them to tell you? You know, people are always lazy these days. If you ask them, okay, someone wants to buy something from you, he or she might be lazy to type what he wants to buy. But immediately you have created a custom message and they click on that link, it will direct them to the custom message and they will send it to you directly. So they don't even need to type anything. It is very, very much easier, because you do not even stress them at all. You do not give them any stress at all. So it is very, very much easier. Now let me do this. Let's say, okay, I'm organizing a class on web design. Do you understand? So I'll just say, okay, hello, this is the custom message I want them to send me. Hello Daniel, I am interested Can you see? I'm interested in the web design class. You can ask them to type their name. My name is so. Now remember that the goal of doing this thing is to improve your contact list, which in return is going to boost your sales no matter what you are selling on WhatsApp. Do you know that over 1.5 billion people are using WhatsApp all over the world, and your prospective customer are among these people? So how do you make them come to you and buy from you? It's very easy. If they don't view your status and they don't know what you are selling, they cannot buy from you. So from there you are going to move them closer to you. So you tell them, okay, let them put their name. You are going to save their contact and you start viewing their contact. Now after you have done this, you create the link. Now just follow me. Now after you have created the link, this is the link. You can just come down and copy it. You see copy under here. Copy the link. Now after you have copied the link, let's open a new tab and paste it. Let's see what I'm doing. Can you see? This is the link. Now when I send it now, you see how it's going to open. For you to be sure that the link is working, can you see? Hello Daniel, I'm interested in the what? In the web design class. My name is Daniel. Now to set up an automation for your WhatsApp, there is something you need to do. You need an application to do that. You need an application to run that. Now presently I'm using an auto reply on my phone to automate my WhatsApp, and you can also use autoresponder, but this autoresponder come with a premium. You need to pay to get some advantage on it. Unlike the auto reply, you can reply 2 or 3 message at the same time, even still give it interval. Now let's make use of this auto reply. No thanks. Now what you need to do is what? Click on this plus button. When you have clicked on this plus button, you are going to choose which of the WhatsApp, depending on the WhatsApp you are using. Is it WhatsApp business? Is it the official WhatsApp that you are going to reply from? Do you get my point? The WhatsApp you are using, even though you are using 2 WhatsApp, and you want your business, the one you are using for your business is the WhatsApp business, and you want them to be replying, to be sending that message to the WhatsApp business, then you choose what? You choose the WhatsApp business. But if you are using the official WhatsApp, then you are going to what? You are going to choose it. Now the next thing is to what? Put in the message that you are going to receive, which is the one you have created that people are going to send to you. You are going to what? You are going to create it. You are going to put it. Now let's go and copy that message now. This is it. We are going to copy it. We paste it. We have a lot of adverts running in this application. Can you see? After you have pasted it, now we have a lot of things under this thing. We have all, we have exact match, we have contain. Now the exact match means everything that the person will be typing should be the same that is going to be sending to you. Now you don't need to choose the exact match. The reason being that most people, you can send them this message and they'll just remove the Daniel. It doesn't concern them. Do you understand? They'll remove the Daniel. Or most people will not even, my name is, some people will now put their name. Do you understand? So it will not automate it because it's not the exact match. So to make it work perfectly, just choose what? Contain. That is it. If it has contained these things that you have input in the receive message, if it has contained it, then it's going to what? It's going to automate. Now the next thing is to what? Is to send them the reply message. That is, even though you are not there, once this WhatsApp automation receive this message, it's going to trigger your own reply. Now what do you want to tell them after you have seen this message? Just tell them, welcome, I'm glad you took and you tell them to get access to anything you are providing, even though it's a free class, even though it's a paid class. To get access, they should save your number first. Remember, that's the main purpose of doing this. Do you understand? Let them save your number, let them tell you their name, and you save their number too. From there, you'll be able to what? Start viewing. They'll start viewing your contacts. You start posting something reasonable on your status that you'll be adding value to their life. From there, they will trust you, and anytime they need something relating to what you are doing, they'll be able to what? They'll be convinced to what? To talk to you about it. Now to get access to the class, do you see what I'm doing? Type, what should I've used done for automation, I've used contact save for automation, so I'm trying to look for something else. Okay, type, finished. Can you see? That's one message. Now you can add like two messages to it. Now you click on this positive sign. You can ask them also, let me have your name so that, can you see? Then when you are done, come to this place, multiple replies, type on all, because if you choose the one, it's going to reply only the first one, and if you choose random, it's going to choose anyone it wants and reply your customer. Now how many seconds? You can put 1 second or 2 seconds. 2 seconds is okay. Then that's all. It's going to run advert. Now I told you, cancel the advert. Then it has complete. Now what will you do after the person has typed what? After the person has typed finish, you told the person that after he has typed finish, that after you have saved your contact, you should what? You should type finish. Now what will you now do after the person has typed finish? That is when you now release maybe the link or anything you decide to what? To give the person. Now when you continue doing this, many people what? Many people will save your contact. Now let's say I want to send them to a YouTube video or to an ebook to learn what I'm about to teach them. Now I'll just create another what? I'll create another message. Click on the button, plus button. Then I'll choose the WhatsApp official or the WhatsApp business. Now which message do you want to receive? You remember you told them that after they have saved your contact, they should type what? Finish. Now you type what? The finish. This is the message you want to what? You want to receive. Then you click on what? Exact match, or you choose contain, because some people may use capital letter throughout. So just use what? Just type, just use the contain. So anything they type and the finish is on, is among it, is going to trigger your message. Now you just say awesome, click. This is just practical on the link. Can you see? You tell them to click on the link below to get access to what? To the free class. Maybe the free class is a YouTube link. Now let me go and copy a link from YouTube. Now let's use it to test run it. Let me copy link from my YouTube channel. Then I have a video. Let me choose this video. I'll copy the link. Then I'll go back to that place. Then I'll post the link. Can you see? So this is the YouTube what? This is the YouTube link for the video. Click on this link, on the link below, to what? To get access to my free class. Can you see? So when you are done with it, then you are going to save it. If you still have anything you need to type, then you are going to what? You are going to add it like the way I did the first one. If you have one or two message, if you want to type 2 or 3 message differently, then you type the add the plus sign, then you do it the way I did it the first one. Then you click this. It's going to run ad as usual. Just wait for the ads to run. So let's wait for this to run, then we close it. We can close it now. Message save. Now can you see? That's duplicate itself. Let me delete one. Now this is it now. So now let's test run what we have done. Now this is just the way you can automate your WhatsApp and increase your contact list. As you are continue doing this, people will want to have access to that free thing you are offering, to that free class you are offering, to that thing you want to tell them. They will surely save your contact, because they know that if, according to the message, if they did not save your contact and they did not tell you that they have saved their contact, and if they did not send you their name, they won't be able to what? They won't be able to have access to it. That is just it. Now what do you need to do? What you need to do is think of what value you can give to people. You can always give free value to people. You can write free ebook. How do you write free ebook? Go to your Google, search for some information that people need, turn it to ebook. It's very easy to what? It's very easy to create ebook with your phone, with your smartphone. Now let me just give us a clue on how to create ebook with our smartphone. But before that, let's test run what we have done. Now let me go to my WhatsApp, because I'm using two WhatsApp. Then I'll use the WhatsApp business to send message to the official WhatsApp and see. Let me search. Okay, let me copy. Let me see. Okay, this is it. My name is Tayo. Let me send it and see if it will work. Can you see? Can you see? The two message appear within what? 2 seconds. Welcome. I'm glad you took this bold step. Exactly what you did. Now let me type finish and see. Can you see? Can you see? You have automated your WhatsApp. Even though I'm not there and someone send me that message, it's going to reply the person. Can you see? I've not even opened the official WhatsApp to see if anybody have sent me any message. It will what? Now, if someone is messaging you, the person will think you are the one replying. No, you are not the one replying. It's the automation that is working. Now that's will help your business go a long way, because as a businessman or woman, 3 or 5 people may be messaging you at the same time. Now how do you do it that you are going to reply them at the same time? And you know, people, when you do not reply them in time, they will lose focus. Let me do another thing. Let me check on another person. So it's going to help your business a lot. Now let me now show you some simple step that you can create free ebook for people, add value to people life. Now when people see that you are the type that add value to their life, they're able to what? Do business with you. They believe that what? You know it. Any problem they have, any issue they have, they are going to what? They are going to relate it with you, because they know that you always what? Help them out. Now let me now show us. First thing you need to do is what? Go to your Google and search. But before that, we need to have this application on our phone. This docs, Google Docs, DOCX. Now we use it to what? We use it to type ebook and convert it to PDF without any stress. Now let's go to Google Chrome. So what do you want to give to people? Let's say, okay, website design with. Now let's say you want to teach people how they can design with their what? With their phone, without coding, with using WordPress, how they can design their website. Then you want to share this free value with people. You just need to what? Go to Google, search for information. It's not necessary you copy what the person have written, because that's plagiarism. But just copy, just go there, search for information, search for things to do. Then what? Okay, let's choose this one. Let me go back. Can you see? Ultimate guide, how to make a website in 2022, step by step. They say the guide is what? Free. You can also make your own too free. Then you start typing. Now let me say you want to type. You don't need to copy everything that is here. You just need to type from your own perspective. Now I need to copy this because it's just a tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to copy this. Then I'll go to what? I'll go to my Google Doc, this one that I've created. Now I need to what? I need to type. Click on this plus button. Then this Google Doc is related to your Google account, which is also linked to your Google Drive. Now you can change it to the account you are using for your Google Drive. Let me change it to this one. Then can you see these all my documents on the what? On the Google Drive. Then I'll click on what? The plus button. choose a new template. You choose any template you want. Let's say you want to choose education, educative, you want to educate people. Click on this template. Now see how I'm going to do it. Can you see? Now what's the topic? This is a what? This is the image. Let's leave the image like that. Then I'll type on this. I need to edit it. Click on this. These are our topic. Then delete it. How to design websites with WordPress. Can you see? Your name, that is, you are the owner of the book. Let me reduce the size of this. Let me reduce the size. Now come in. Click on this. Let me subtitle. Or I'll use heading 1. Let me use heading 1. Let me use subtitle. Can you see? So this is the title of the book, and this is the image. You can change it to any image. Just click on this positive sign. What do you want to add? When I click link, comment, image, table, so you are going to add it. Then this is your word. This is your word. Now let's delete everything. You delete everything. You highlight it and what? Delete, select, and what? And delete. So you don't need to delete the one at the top. Just highlight it. Let me just delete it to this place. This is just this was a video tutorial. It's not exactly so. Then paste what you have copied. Can you see? Are you looking to make a website, starting a website? And so that's how you are going to write it. After you have written everything, you have made changes, you have designed it the way you want, then you just what? Click on this, then you are done. All change has been what? All change has been saved. Can you see? Now what do you need to do? Click on this. Download. No, not download. Come to this place. Okay, yes, you need to download it. So since you download it, it will save as a what? As a PDF. One item will be downloaded. Can you see? Let's check it. This is what? This is a PDF. Then you can what? Save it to your Google Drive. Now let me teach you how you can save it. Just go to your Google Drive. That's our Google Drive. Now these are our Google Drive. Because we have used the Google Drive, it's possible we see it here. Let's check if it will be here. Let me see. Can you see? I told you that it will be there. This is it. The essay, that's the topic. You can rename it. Click on this to rename it. Click on rename. Then you can say web design. We have renamed it. This is it at the last part. Can you see? This is it. So you can what? You can share to people. Now let me. So like I said, you can share to people, but before you do that, and to be sure that what you save is what? Is a PDF, just click on this because you have downloaded it as a PDF. Not minding that it's also on your Google Drive. Just click on upload. Then this is it. Click on it, essay.pdf, because we already save it as essay. Can you see? Where is it? This is it here, essay.pdf. So it is that PDF that you need. So if you can send it as a gift to people, you can send it as a free bundle to people. Now it will be mentioned that you're adding value to people's life. Now by so doing, people will always regard you as somebody. Do you understand? So that will be all for today. That will be all for today. Now this is how you copy the link. When you click on this one, just what, copy the link. Now you can add the link to what, you can add the link to you can add the link to the auto reply as where you want them to go, instead of the YouTube link we added. So you can add the link to, so when they click on it, it will take them to that PDF, and they are going to what, read what you have for them. So that will be all for today. Thank you.